Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Remember our last Aldi find video? Well, we did buy this blending system from Ambiano and we are going to try it out today. So it's after I ripped it out the box, I figured, okay, let's make a video. So it is actually 11 pieces. I chose to go with the purple because the kitchen is black and silver. Okay, let's get into the pieces that come with the blender. I'm always excited when they say 11 pieces, but it's not necessarily 11 cups. They count the lids, they count the lip rings, as well as they count the unit itself. All right, you guys, so these are the pieces. So let's start with the main one. I particularly like this because a child can use it. Zone is able to use this to blend her stuff. So that is really awesome that it is child friendly. All right, so these are the pieces that it comes with. They count the lids and lip rings like I told you earlier. You have that part that helps with the blending. Little instructions inside the main portion. This you can just blend and go. So you can have that to drink. Let's say you're trying to go out the door. You can use that. Of course, it comes with your manual. It comes with warranty. It also comes with a little booklet that gives ideas. If you're trying to blend, you can get ideas from the the recipe, the recipe book of what to blend. So if you're on the go, this is perfect. You just grab whatever it is that you're blending, toss it in here, and you're good to go. I feel like if you wanted to, this is even something that you could travel with, maybe take to work to blend while you're at work, especially if you're late. It's very lightweight, and it really does give a smooth blend too. You can blend your seasoning in here if you'd like, iced coffee, chocolate, whatever it is that you like to blend. Perfect. Use your manual if you're unsure. A lot of us just like to get started using something before we actually go through the manual. Okay, so let's blend something here real quickly. I had some fruits that were in the freezer, so we just grabbed those. Strawberry, pineapple, and I'm using milk. I don't remember how much milk we put in here. I just poured some milk in here, and we are going to blend. The mangoes are absolutely sweet, really, really sweet. And you don't want to fill your blender the way I am doing it right here. We're going to add a few pineapple chunks, and then we're going to add some strawberries. All right, now we are going to blend. So good. You don't have to hold it. I don't even know why I was holding on to it. But yeah. All right, we're gonna go in now for the taste. Baby food can also be done in here. Look at that. Boy, so good. All right, guys, there you have it.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.